Hi, my name is Danelle Stewart and I serve as the president of Mission Wealth. We are at Shelby Park in the Nashville, Tennessee area. Giving back to the local community is really important for us here at Mission Wealth. One of our core values is caring. We really pride ourselves on being caring not only to one another and to our clients, but also caring for the places that we live in and the places that we visit. Today we have a group of people who are making origami seed packets that will be delivered to local neighbors. We also have a group of people that went around clearing trash from different areas, including the lake and the grass. And then we have another group of people that have been working really hard clearing out invasive species right next to the river. So through this core value of caring, we like to demonstrate really rolling up our sleeves and doing something that is meaningful and impactful.